Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using tie-dye blanks from Lucky Bird Boutique. What's really fun about these is you don't have to make them. You don't have to pre-wash. You don't have to wash them afterwards. You don't have to buy all the dye. They just already have them ready for you. So this is the first design and this is the second one that I chose. So they reached out and had me pick out some more shirts. I'm not paid to do this. They just sent me the shirts. I love this one. It reminds me of lightning. So what we're going to do is two designs that are popular right now, which is doing a big monogram on the tie-dye shirt. And then another one is just a free design that's in Cricut Design Space right now that I thought would be really cute. So I'm showing you right now what it would look like if you did a monogram on this shirt and then show you on the other shirt. All right, so let's go ahead and get over here to the Lucky Bird blanks. If you come right over to their website, you can see they've got tons of them. They got stuff for sublimation. They've got stuff for the youth, long sleeve, all of that jazz. But today I'm going to be showing you guys the tie-dye. All right, so we're going to go right over here. You can see they have long sleeve and short sleeve to match. And they're, to me, I think they're affordable for, you know, not having to purchase all the things and them doing all the work. So that way, if you wanted to buy bulk and you want 20 of them to match, they would definitely do that for you. So there that is. But definitely check out all of their other blanks too. They've got tons of stuff to choose from. So definitely check that out. So let's go ahead and head on over to Cricut Design Space into font so I can show you how I made my monogram. Now I'm going to have this linked directly below, but if not, go to devfont.com, type in monogramos, there it is, hit download. It's going to pop right up to the top, hit allow, and then click it, hit install font, and it's on your computer, ready to go. All right, so what you're going to do is open Cricut Design Space. Make sure if you already have it open, you exit out of that and reopen it. You're going to look for, hit text, look for the font, and type it out. Now if you hit all caps, it'll look like that. You don't want that, just type as normal, and then there you go. What you want to do is ungroup all of those first. And then you're going to take a square and you're going to size it down and hover it over the pieces you don't want. And then you're going to select those pieces, hit slice, delete the pieces you don't need. All right, so you're going to continue to do this. Now, whenever you do this, like this one, for example, has several pieces that you need to get rid of, you can click it and then hit contour. Once you slice it once, it brings up the contour. So that's something to know too. And then this one here, you just need to get rid of the first two. So you just kind of delete them like that. All right, and then after this, I use my keyboard on my laptop or desktop to move it over with the arrows. And then I'll slightly use my mouse to move it just to keep it real consistent. Select them and hit weld, and it's done. So all you have to do at this point is size it down and it's ready to go. All right, back at the t-shirt. So I'm just going to put mine right there in the center of that circle. You could definitely do the whole t-shirt there and kind of do like a big piece towards the top. But that's how I like mine. And then I'm going to show you the second design really quick to see what it's going to look like. It's going to be the rock. So like I said, this is free, I believe, for Access members. And it's really cute. It's just a new file. All right, back to this t-shirt. So what we're going to do is preheat our shirt. Once again, they've already pre-washed and all that, so it's not going to shrink on us. You definitely want to size up because they've already done all that. It's 100% cotton. So what I'm going to do is 315 for 30 seconds, and I'm just going to keep my iron in that spot and then just kind of move it. So I'm just making sure I'm touching everything. So the one thing to note about a 6x7 iron is it's going to take you, instead of it taking you 30 seconds for, you know, using a 12x10 or a heat press, the 6x7 is going to take you probably around 2 to 3 minutes, just depending on your size if you're having to move it around, because you add up 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, and now you're at 2 minutes. So keep that in mind when you choose the size of your iron. All right, so now I'm going to let that cool down and come to this design over here. Same thing, just kind of preheat the shirt, figure out where I want it to be. To find your center, simply just fold it in half, and then there you go. I pretty much eyeball all of my t-shirts, but if you need to, just use a ruler and figure that out. So once again, doing the same thing, repeating the process, going over the entire image, and then after that's done, we will flip the t-shirts and go an extra 15 seconds, and you'll be good to go. Now, same thing with this t-shirt. I could have totally upscaled this design. I could have definitely went the whole 12x12, and I think it would have looked really good on this t-shirt. So the thing I've noticed with these tie-dye t-shirts is them doing really big designs. I've even seen people doing USA. There's tons of stuff out there right now that's popular. You could definitely check out Google or Etsy for some inspiration. So definitely check that out. All right, so we've got that done. We're going to bring back in the other shirt and just peel it right up, and it's good to go. You're just going to flip it, and we're going to press another 15 seconds. One thing I want to note when we flip this t-shirt is, look, the back looks exactly the same as the front. They do such an excellent job. They look so, so good. I could never do this. Like, if I tie-dye, my stuff doesn't come out this good. So if you're somebody that's making t-shirts and you're selling them, or you're making some for the schools, or, you know, say an event, and you want them to look matching and look really good, just pre-order these. Once again, the link is down below. So I'm just preheating another 15 seconds, and then we're going to wrap it up. I think they came out super, super cute. I love it. I'm obsessed with the tie-dye look right now. So I definitely hope you guys try this out. Go check out the blanks. Also, check out my video that will be up Friday. If you're watching this at a later time, I will have it linked down below. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the M out of the monogram and replace it with an A. I accidentally misspelled this. Don't judge. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.